Hello everyone, this is Linotech Electronica Industrial. In this video I'm showing a Magirus HMI which is used in an intelligent control system of a fire brigade truck. So it's showing a fault here. A fault LED is also lighting up. And here in our laboratory we have resources and highly qualified technicians who will analyze the equipment. So the equipment is opened up. The electronic boards are checked. Then we identify which stage is faulty, the components to be replaced. This is how the components are replaced. This is the procedure carried out in the laboratory.